what you need to do is have an account with Apple to be able to create games and apps for iOS. So first thing you do is go through the registration process. All right, we're going to go to developer.apple.com/register. Okay, I have it right there. And once you're right there, there's two ways. Either you may already have an iTunes account, so you just sign in with your iTunes account, and that will transform your iTunes account into a developer account. That's one way. Or if you don't have one, you create an Apple ID from scratch. Okay, so just for the sake of it, I already have my account, but I'm going to create an Apple ID just to show you what you have to go through. Alrighty, it's asking for which Apple ID you want to have here. I'm going to put penaltygenji@gmail.com. Alright, a password, just one for the sake of it. Alright, okay. Oh, it's asking for something more complex. There. Alright. There we go. Security question. Let's put one. Name of hometown, Miami. Alright. Birth date, doesn't matter. Of course, you have to put the correct information here. Alright. First name. Okay. Middle name. See. There we go. Alright. Then you have to go with primary address and so on. Select state. Okay. So 3 Miami Avenue. Town Miami. Florida 33162. Okay. Right. Communicate from Apple. Email. No. Newsletter. No. Okay. Make sure I'm not a robot. GXMZ. Alright. And have read and agree. Alright. And then create Apple ID. Voila. There you go. Now what you need to do is go back to your email address and verify your account. And there you go. You have your developer account. Now that you have an account, the next thing you need to do is become an iOS developer. So navigate to developer.apple.com/programs. Once you're there, make sure you pick the iOS developer program. It's going to be $99 per year, where you can create as many games and apps as you want on one account. Okay, there's other types of licenses, such for Macs or for Safari, but right now we just want to be able to program for iPhones and iPads. Okay, so click on Learn More right there. And right there you have an Enroll Now. So you would click there, and that would drive you through the form to that you just have to fill up, and you would get your license.